Hey there guys, this is a very quick video on how you can get cheaper Vodafone plan. So how to actually do it. Now the very most important thing is that when you want to, let's say, all SIM only and you want to get cheaper, you want to call their retention department and ask if you are leaving, or use a third-party resellers like Uswitch to find the hidden basic plans. So the retention teams can offer up to 15% discounts by searching online for SIM only through the comparison sites often yields better deals for new customers. Also, you can switch between the Vodafone and different provider and then come back. So this is something that you can do, like call 191, say you want to cancel because it's too expensive, and wait to be transferred to the retention team so that they can offer you a hidden offers. So also we can use a third-party resellers, or you can also consider prepaid PayG, and of course check the hidden deals. So you can get 15% down. So this is something that you can do. Be brave, you got it, and don't even accept the first offer. Okay, retention can usually offer better rates than standard customer service. And yeah, and avoid buying through the official stores if they don't have connection to the retention. Okay, so this is how we can actually do it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.